Lian Li HydroShift 360 AIO. The liquid cooler that turns your PC into a showstopper. Feeling stuck staring at soaring CPU temps while your airflow struggles to keep up? Fans spin, software monitors beep warnings, and your build looks clunky and chaotic. Every minute wasted adjusting cables or chasing heat spikes drains your focus and motivation. Your dream rig should hum like a whisper, not scream frustration, and your patience shouldn't be tested this often. Now imagine the stress piling up, long gaming sessions, intense rendering, or overclocking experiments that push your CPU to the limit. Thermal throttling, sudden spikes, and unexpected shutdowns can ruin projects, delay streams, or tank frame rates. Missed benchmarks, frustrated colleagues, or disappointing results leave you questioning if your current cooling setup can survive the next heat wave. Enter the Lian Li HydroShift 360 AIO, a next-level liquid cooler that fuses performance with jaw-dropping aesthetics. With its side-mounted coolant pathway, 3 pre-installed 28mm fans, and high-density copper microchannel cold plate, heat is whisked away instantly. The 2.88-inch 480 by 480 LCD lets you display system stats, GIFs, or custom images while monitoring temps in real time. Compatible with Intel LGA 1851/1700/1200 and AMD AM5/AM4 CPUs, it fits almost any build. One builder shared how upgrading their Ryzen 9 7950X rig dropped temps by 15 degrees Celsius and kept noise nearly non-existent, all while their LCD displayed a rotating client logo. Reinforced sleeve tubing and a ceramic bearing pump ensured durability and whisper-quiet operation. HydroShift 360 isn't just cooling, it's a statement, turning a chaotic, overheated build into a sleek, efficient, and visually mesmerizing masterpiece. The HydroShift 360 transforms every build into a thermal powerhouse and a visual masterpiece. Users report whisper-quiet operation, even at full pump speed, while temps stay rock-solid under gaming, rendering, and streaming loads. Influencers rave about the side-mounted coolant pathway improving flow efficiency, while experts highlight the 28mm fans and high-density copper cold plate for superior heat dissipation. Enthusiasts love the fully customizable 2.88-inch LCD display for stats or art, synced effortlessly via L-Connect 3 and RGB control. Build clarity is enhanced with clean cable management, minimal tube bends, and durable, kink-resistant tubing. Curious why streamers, modders, and PC builders are obsessed? From improved FPS under intense loads to flawless workstation cooling, HydroShift 360 delivers reliability and flair. Real customers note hassle-free installation, consistent performance, and zero leaks months in. Each rotation of the thick fans and every pixel of the vibrant LCD screams precision, innovation, and flair, making your rig not just efficient but hypnotically impressive. Don't wait, limited stock for builders ready to level up performance and aesthetics. Join thousands who've transformed their PCs with the Lian Li HydroShift 360 AIO. Act now to secure whisper-quiet cooling, 15 degrees Celsius lower temps, and a stunning 2.88-inch LCD display that mesmerizes. Whether gaming, streaming, or building a workstation, this AIO combines peak performance and style. Seize this chance, elevate your rig, and make every build unforgettable. Your PC deserves it today.